Hey beautiful souls, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am so glad you found your way. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. It really helps me keep creating more healing space for you. Welcome once again. You have taken this time for yourself, a time to pause, a time to breathe, a time for yourself, and time to let go. This is a sacred space where you can release the weight of what no longer serves you. You are here now, and that is enough. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly release it through your mouth. This is your time to let go, to soften the weight of your past and return home to the present moment. Find a position that feels supportive, sitting, lying down, however you like. Take a deep breath in, hold it and breathe out. Close your eyes, shoulder relax. Today we will release the past, freeing ourselves to move forward into a brighter future. Breathe in deeply and out slowly. Breathe in deeply and out slowly. Breathe in deeply and out slowly. Again, inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Notice the sensation of breath as it enters and leaves your body. Let your attention settle into your body. Feel the ground beneath you, the support it offers without asking anything in return. Scan your body gently. Notice any tension in your forehead, your jaw, your neck, your chest. With each breath, soften those spaces, inviting ease. This moment is yours. Breathe in, breathe out slowly. Breathe in, breathe out slowly. Do it till you feel light in your heart. Keep doing it if it feels right. Now, bring your attention inward. Imagine yourself standing beside a calm flowing river. The water moves gently. It flows forward, always forward. In your hand, you hold a small stone. It is smooth, little heavy. This stone carries something from your past, a memory, a regret, a wound. Take a moment to feel the weight of that stone. Notice what it represents for you. Now, gently, lovingly, place into the water. Watch as the current begins to carry it away downstream, further and farther, until it disappears from you. Let it go. Breathe. If more stones appear, that's okay. You can release them one by one. There is no rush. The river has space for them all. I want you to leave the stone one by one of all the past memories, regretted ones you are carrying, the one that have been weighing you down from a long time. Keep repeating, do not rush. As I said, river has space for them all. Just sit down in the silence for some time. Notice your breath. You are still in imagination. Once you feel light, tell to yourself you are safe and you are free to come back from your imagination. You are free to let go. Now, gently repeat these affirmations in your mind. I release the past with love and gratitude. I forgive myself and others, even if just a little. I am not my story. I am here now. I am free from what I cannot change. I choose peace over pain. I carry the lessons, not the burden. My present is sacred. My heart is open for healing. I allow myself to move forward. Breathe in and breathe out. One more time we will repeat this information in our mind. I release the past with love and gratitude. I forgive myself and others, even if just a little. I am not my story. I am here now. I am free from what I cannot change. I choose peace over pain. I carry the lessons, not the burden. My present is sacred. My heart is open for healing. I allow myself to move forward. Breathe in and breathe out slowly. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale slowly. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Let these affirmations settle in your heart, and there's nothing you need to do but receive. Notice your body again. Notice how it feels to be still, to be free. Place one hand over your heart. Feel the steady rhythm there. Feel the warmth of your own touch. This is your center. This is your truth. You are not broken. You are healing. You are growing. And you are enough right here, right now. Take a deep breath in and let it all go. Begin to bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers, your toes, roll your shoulders slowly. And when you are ready, open your eyes. Let your gaze be soft. No need to rush. Take a final deep breath, and as you exhale, smile gently to yourself. Thank yourself for showing up, for being brave enough to let go. Your past is behind you, your peace is within you, and your future is unfolding with love. Till we meet next time, be gentle with yourself. Namaste.